Hi there, I'm going to show you how to install and set up our Featured Items Pro module. Okay, so go to Extensions, Install and Install. Now let's browse for the package. Upload and install. Okay, now we go to the Module Manager and we should find it in here. Here it is. So click on Featured Items Pro. Now, the first thing to do is to enable it, otherwise nothing's going to show. Now, in fact, the default layout will often work quite well in the left-hand column position, so I'm going to leave it there for now, and we'll just click Apply. Then go to the front page, and here it is. Now let's try playing with some of the parameters. So, for example, we can restrict the extract shown to a particular section or category. So let's just go to the news section. And now we can see that it's just showing news articles. We can change the content source to use Mighty Extensions resources using this parameter here. Change that to resources, and we can try, say, news and politics. Reload the page, and now it's showing a selection of resources articles. And now let's try some alternative layouts. The accordion layout will often work quite well in a column as well, so let's show that one. So suddenly it's turned into an accordion. Now let's say we want to do something like a tab pane. Select tab pane. Now that tends to need a bit more horizontal space, so I'm going to move the position for that, and we'll go for user 1 instead. So let's do that. Actually, let's go for the footer. There's a bit more space there. You can see it's now in the footer.